Ice Maker Machine Comfort Perfect Compact Size measuring only 6 to 11.6 inches inside in the ice maker can easily fit on the countertop kitchen island or decks without taking up too much space. Make bullet shaped ice cube in just 6 minutes. The powerful compressor can produce up to 26 lbs per day on the storage. The steady handle make the ice maker countertop easy to carry while the scoop attached to the basket for convenient storage weighing just 3.7 to carry while the scoop attached to the basket for convenient storage weighting. Enjoy fresh ice in 3 easy steps. Fill the reservoir, switch the unit on, then select small and large ice cubes. The ice maker machine feature can indicate light to on, then notify when water need to be added on ice is full. Upgraded your home. Wage flow. Hey, it's your bedroom, not hospital room. Give it some style. The cold wage feature, a classic yet contemporary design. The removable jacquard flow case protects the inclined flow from stain while promoting a comfortable night sleep. Cover in machine washable and can be removed for the triangle flow core. Act and pain often rob you of a good night's sleep, including snoring, neck and back pain and post-surgery alignment. The best wage flow for sleeping. Wage flow from acid reflux relieve ashes and the pain often drop of a good night's sleep, including snoring, neck and back pain. Post-surgery alignment. The best wage flow for sleeping. Wage flow can acid reflect, ideal for head, foot and leg elevation. Great flow for snoring. Wedge flow for sleeping comfort. Hand massager with heat, CINCM and hand therapy massager provide different acupressure point and offer kneading massage with 4 massages head, upper, lower, airbag pressed rhythmically along the finger, hand and wrist to care to all sides of your hand. These electric hand massager relieve arthritic and capture internal pain and relax your hand after a long day to work. Heat, air pressure, and heating to help to get rid of the finger numbness and joint soreness. Suitable for both right and left hand. Therapy 3 selectable massage mode 3 strength to meet your comfort level 2 heat setting to choose from according to the individual need and preference. The provide the hand with noting heat into the deep infitting 95 minus 104 degree F to improve blood circulation, reduces finger and palms pain and warming of your cold head. The cordless hand massager with the built-in 25 mAh battery at least 4.5 hours after full. Electric knife flapper. Ideal to converting traditional 20-degree factory either household knife into high-performance resort advanced dropping and the stage of 100% diamond abrasive sharpening straight edge and settable note and noise in between 65 dB to 75 dB. Advanced Pentra flexible spring guide for automatic adjustment and accurate control to the sharpening angle and feature simple on and off switch. State edge select sharpening system from Optimum, well slated to providing the perfect edge of each cutting task. Stage 1 and 2 and the plated with 100% diamond abrasive to sharpen and the hone the edge, and stage 3 used to patented flexible abrasive system polishes and help to prolong for the life serrated knife. The 15 Trizon XV combines the strength and durable of the Trizer Edge with flowable and the ultra sharp. Portable rechargeable fan, small in size, big on function, featuring a fan, flashlight, and backup power bank. The Juicy Lift Pocket Bear Fan in your summer go-to essential for staying cool and hot day while offering a palm-sized backup charger designed with pocket-size. These portable fans easily fit into any bag for any go convenience, doubling as a backup. It keep your devices charged when needed, making it your travel and essential. Designed with flashlight function, you may not look for a flashlight first, but you will find that type is quite helpful when going out walk at night. Three-stage of transferable fan. Three-stage of transformable design allow for easy storage with hidden blades, making it compact enough to carry your pocket uses, and a handle fan 180-degree folded or as a desktop fan 270-degree folded for added visibility. Your travel essentials 3-in-1 mini fan will be a partner for travel connected. Multifunction hook holder inserting the style design I butterfly silica glue hook can with 4 elastic food hook in 6 marcon color. Fashionable novel design firmly clamp the object or hook object very stable and practical, and it is also used to very convenient when taking object used in family and offices will be also fantastic decoration. No tool needed, punch free mounted self adhesive part tapes just peel off the protective layer. You can stick then 4 leg hook to at any smooth surface or no damage, no residual pace, strong loading capacity, no need to worry about falling. Recommended to use after 24 hour after installation.